This is Sheena. Heavily abused little dog for adoption. Available for adoption. She's nearly blind. She walks around and follows you everywhere. Very sweet little dog. Loves to sit on your lap. Sheena! Look at that beautiful little dog. Sheena! 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 She's for adoption at For the Love of Paws near Kingman, Arizona. Who's gonna give her a good home? She's been abused too much.